Welcome dear guys, as you can see on the screen, if we talk about the time, that is 31st August 2020. Today is the last day of the August, and here you can see the domains which are expired, just expired, and you can lease these domains. And if we about talk about the worth of these domains are very high. According to GoDaddy appraisal, the first domain is hpxo.com. That's information available on expireddomain.net, and cost of this domain is 1349 US dollar. And the second domain is morbla, that have 5 alphabet and very nice domain, and that's cost is 1270 US dollar. And the third domain that has been just expired, you can register, you can lease this domain, that is gck.com, 122 US dollar. And the fourth domain is apkaifa, that have this domain have 6 alphabet. And if we talk about the cost of this domain, that is 1175 US dollar. And the last domain that you can register, and in this video you can see the last domain, that is have 5 alphabet, that is sovcr.com. And if we talk about the cost of this domain, that is 1252 US dollar. And if we talk about the worth of these domains, that's not according to seller purchase, but according to GoDaddy appraisal. And as well as we not only talk about the GoDaddy appraisal, but these domains can be evaluated at many sites. For example, you can see there are many platforms where you can check valuations of a domain. For example, Free Valuator. According to Free Valuator, a domain which is included in this video, that is morbla.com. and according to Free Valuator, this domain cost is 2108 US dollar. And just now this domain has been expired, and you can lease this domain for flip the domain. And if we talk about the morbla.com, how many searches are there available on Google, that's enough. You can see on there about 76,900 searches are available. And Morvel here is a family also, and in many terms this domain is used. And for example, here we talk about the sovcr.com, and we go on Google sovcr.com. We talk about sovcr.com, and for which kind category sovcr used, you can say here about 28,000 searches available. And here are words that start with sovcr, full list here given. And all these domains included in this video, you can see the importance of these domains, because on GoDaddy as well as many other platforms, importance of these domains can be seen, as we have given an example of Free Valuator. So if you are thinking about the domain, you can go on expired domain net. For example, let's go on expired domain net, expireddomains.net, and you can check all the list of domains that has been expired, and you can register these domains for flipping. For example, if you can see here the deleted.com, and the just refresh list as previous status here updated of 30 August, yesterday 1852 to next. Here you can see a list, here the domains that has been expired, and you can choose from here. So dear guys, I hope these value based video will help you in choosing the right domain. And for such a kind of information, you can subscribe this channel. Meet you in next video. Have a nice day.